Hello and welcome to a new YouTube video. Today we're gonna have a look at this Daewoo VCR DV-K260. And yeah, it's center mount that the mechanism is in the middle of the VCR. And yeah, it has NTSC playback. And yeah, we have some buttons here: play, fast forward, rewind and record. And yeah, it has an issue, which I'm gonna show you. But first let me show you the back. Okay, here is the back. Daewoo video cassette recorder. Made in the UK, Daewoo Electronics. Now we have some information. 230 volts, 50 hertz, 16 watts. A little vent. SCART output, antenna in and outputs. And yeah, that's how the back of the VCR looks like. Now I'm gonna show you the issue. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the issue. We're gonna put the tape in. And let's play it. You can see that it doesn't lock in properly. And yeah, this is the issue it has. Well, the picture looks clear in rewind search. And in pause mode, sort of. And in fast forward too. But yeah, it doesn't play tapes properly. And yeah, I know some asshole is gonna ask, does LP play properly? Which I'm gonna show you. Also, I only have a Sonic Adventure tape, unfortunately, cause yeah, as I told you, most people didn't know how to use the slower speeds. And yeah, it looks even worse. It's in black and white too. But yeah, even if it would have played LP, I could only have played tapes I recorded myself. Oh, it sort of wanted to show some color there. But yeah, most people didn't know how to use the slower speeds here in Europe, at least. Because it was not advertised by anybody that it existed. Only LP mode tapes I have found was some recordings from TV-2000 on moldy VHS tapes. But yeah, you can see that it doesn't play any of the speeds properly. But yeah, now I'm gonna show you the inside and mechanism. Okay, here's the inside. It's almost China Pride. Let me turn on the lights. We have a power supply that's integrated into one main board. Yeah, that's how crappy this thing is. And we also have a tuner, which is quite big, I'm gonna say. SCART output. Here's the tape transport. Erase head. Video head drum. This is just a 2-head VCR. A video head, or audio head I mean, sorry, that reads the linear audio. This ain't gonna have any hi-fi tracks on the, or hi-fi heads on the head drum, cause it's a mono VCR. So it's gonna read all audio with this control track head, because yeah, this also reads the control track. We also have a loading motor right there. And it drives this like cam gear to load the mechanism. We also have a capstan and pinch roller behind it right there. Yeah, we also have a little idler tire right there, if you can see it. And the take up and supply reel. Now let me put this tape in. Let me eject. Yeah, there's eject. Let me show. Yeah, there's the mechanism. There is fast forward. Play. Rewind. Let me put it into rewind full speed. This is one of these crappy VCRs that keep the tape laced while rewinding, fast forwarding and all of that. So yeah, now it's rewinding. Now it hit the clear leader. And it went into some emergency shutdown, it looks like. But yeah, this is a really cheap VCR. Does this even have an end sensor, by the way? Nope. It doesn't have an end sensor. I'm serious. It doesn't have a tape end sensor. So yeah, I'm gonna explain to you how this is gonna detect when the tape stops. So underneath this take up and supply reel, there's like sensors that detect reel movement, and the tape is gonna stop when these sensors realizes that it can't turn the tape more. So yeah, that's gonna snap some tapes if you're not careful. Yeah, this is just a really cheap and crappy VCR. But yeah, it's not China Pride at least, cause it's made in the UK. But yeah, it's still cheap, made in March 1998. But yeah, it's not China Pride, cause it's made in England. But yeah, it's shit quality anyways. But yeah, this has been the review of this crappy VCR. And thanks a lot for watching. Okay, so I got this VCR working now, so I'm gonna do a proper playback demonstration. I'm gonna show you what the issue with it was. Let me explain how this works. So you can see when this laces up now that there are two tape guides, the entrance and exit guide. Yeah, these had come out of alignment. Yeah, these guides needs to be properly aligned with this video. I'm gonna show you why. If you look at this video head, we have two heads right here. This is a very basic two-head VCR. And yeah, I'm just gonna call this head A and that one head B. And yeah, when it's playing a tape, these heads are constantly switching between each other. So yeah, this one starts reading the first field of video right there. Then, when it's at the end of its travel, it's gonna activate this next head. And yeah, they are constantly switching between each other. Yeah, they are reading fields of video on this tape that are stored right there. And there's also a sync pulse on top of the tape right there. And yeah, if those things aren't aligned, you're gonna see the issue I demonstrated earlier, because these heads can't properly read the fields of video. And this audio head can't pick up the control track properly. So yeah, it's gonna have the issues I showed earlier. But yeah, when those are aligned, this can read the tape properly basically. And that makes it work. So yeah, we're gonna power the TV on and put this tape in to show you that it works now. It works with SP tapes, that is, cause yeah, I still haven't gotten it to play in LP, but I don't care about LP. Cause yeah, I basically need to record my own tapes to play in it if I want to play LP. So yeah, SP is the only speed I care about, cause yeah, most people just use the SP speed for TV recordings, and all pre-recorded tapes here in Europe were in SP. Some tapes in the US were in the EP and LP speed, but yeah, those were the Walmart shit. China pride. But yeah, you can see it plays now. Yeah, it's gonna track now, and you can see the audio is working.
Kan du gå ut i korridoren och se om du ser någon läkare och säga att det är ganska bråttom?
Well, it's not perfect, but I just got it so it can play properly.
Vad kostade brevlådan?
Well, this might have misaligned again, because yeah, I'm gonna tell you this. When guides have been misaligned once, it's very easy for them to misalign again, if you understand what I mean. Yeah, there's fast forward.
Frågan om jag ska med ut på ett. Ja, visst kan jag väl så. Jag menar, en och annan strövin och med det.
Är det maten där?
Nej men köp.
There is pause, and yeah, it's a shitty two-head pause. Because yeah, this is gonna have the LP optimized track width, unfortunately, because it supports LP. Yeah, that's about the best we can get in pause.
På väg ner till labbet för analys.
Men då kanske du är doktor?
Det är jag säkert, ja.
Då måste du hjälpa min pappa.
Let's do some more fast forward search. Yeah, there is fast forward. Yeah, we have that snow in fast forward because it's a two-head VCR. Yeah, here is rewind. Search. Now back into play. Now let's eject this tape and get that LP mode tape. This pointless tape with Sonic Adventure gameplay on it. And yeah, you can see it still won't lock in LP. But yeah, this is not a big issue, because it's the only LP mode tapes I have. I used to have two moldy, or three moldy LP mode tapes, but those got tossed out. So yeah, it does not play LP, but it's not a big deal. So this VCR is working okay. I'm still probably just gonna give it away for free or scrap it out, because yeah, I don't think anyone is gonna want the VCR with the issues I demonstrated. But yeah, it's working now.